Hello everyone, I'm going to quickly show you and tell you how to refund games on Steam. Don't forget to like this quick video tutorial. First, scroll up and click on your profile name. Then click on account details. You can do the same thing on the Steam website. Make sure you are on the account details tab. Then look to the right and click on the view purchase history button. You will then be taken to the Purchase History tab, where you can see your entire purchase history. Select the game you want a refund, and select the button, I would like a refund, then click, I'd like to request a refund and scroll down. Here you will see the game you want to refund. To be eligible for a refund, the game must have been purchased within the last 14 days, and you must have played it for less than 2 hours. You can see the time played in the game here. Directly below the game, you will see the amount that will be refunded to you. Scroll down and select the reason why you want a refund. The "It's not fun" option is a universal option and a good choice. In the notes field, indicate what you didn't like and why you want a refund. I'll just write "not fun." Refunds may take several days. If you are not refunding to your Steam account, the process may take longer. Now you know how to refund games on Steam. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Also, please like and subscribe to the channel. I will be very grateful.